Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add text boxes in slide. So if you want to add new text boxes to your slide or your presentation in Google Slide, is a very easy way or easy steps for you to get that done. So the first thing you have to do is move your mouse and tap on this option right here, which is TR. You can see TR. So if you want to add the text boxes, just locate the TR toolbar, and this is it here, which is text box. Tap on it, stop on it, then you come to the right position where you want to insert your text boxes or where you want to add your text boxes. So once you do that, just hold and drag. You can see it has this mouse icon has turned to plus from arrow key. So once you do that, just hold and drag, long click and drag. Then you can see a new text box has been added. Then from there you can add a new text inside your text box, and that is it. If you find the video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.